How to update CRA account after PR. Now in this method, I'm going to be showing you two specific options where you can choose to do this step. Now first things first is you can go directly to Service Canada's office on the nearest location on your end and then just simply get your permanent SIN card. After that, you can go ahead and contact the Canada phone number that is going to be showing on your screen. Just provide your SIN card number as well as your first name and last name, your date of birth, and any related tax documents do you have. Now the other thing that you can do is just to heading directly to Canada.ca. In here, you just have to create or sign in to your existing account and then go to your profile and then just simply hit on update. And that's it. That's how you can update your CRA account after PR.